All right, and welcome back. My name is Chris Palmer. If you are brand new here, welcome to Chris Palmer SEO. In today's video, it is part of a series. You will learn how to create an Amazon backlink through the S3 platform, and I will throw in a bonus if you stay until the end of the video. I'm going to show you how you can get SEO tools for free or for next to nothing. And we're talking tools like Ahrefs, Moz, SEMrush. So stay tuned until the end. So let's go ahead and get into this tutorial on how to create SEO backlinks on the S3 platform, get an Amazon backlink, and then I'll wrap up with how you can get your tools for free and how you can go ahead and finish off this backlink. So without any more waiting, so here is the type of link that we're talking about. This is a S3 property through Amazon. And these are typical links. I've seen these types of links ranging in price. This is simply an example. I just want to go ahead and show you. As you can see, my Moz bar is enabled, so the no follow links are purple and the follow links are green. Links that are towards the top of the page are more powerful. So obviously, this person has put it at the top of the page. And also, another key piece of information, if your key term for the page is also in the title and in the backlink, it is a stronger link. Also, if a link is more likely to be clicked, the link is deemed more powerful. So keep that in mind. So in any case, if you take a look at this link, it is a do follow link. So how do we go about creating this? Well, if you head on over to aws.amazon.com/S3, this is where you could start learning about the S3 buckets. Buckets is what they are called on Amazon. What's absolutely wonderful about the Amazon AWS S3 is they will actually go ahead and give you 1 year complimentary to test out their services and their features. So Amazon S3, here is a quick and a brief walkthrough of exactly how it works. Amazon S3, you specify your target, the objects with the S4 or the S3 inventory. It's walking you through the process. There is a bunch of write-up here of exactly how it works, how fast it is, and what's so wonderful about it. Now, there are numerous features within this, but I'm not here to cover all of that. What I'm here is to show you how to create the static website and also how you can get a backlink from an Amazon property that's relatively powerful, and you can use this for your perhaps maybe a pillow link, or perhaps you can use it to as a barrier. What I'm simply getting at here is this is an absolutely wonderful backlink opportunity that you could potentially funnel poor backlinks through going to your money site. So here's some of the pricing. Again, you will get a S3 complimentary. But Chris, how do I go about creating this without making a 4-hour tutorial? This is the process, okay, of what you will need to do to get the AWS, the free complimentary 12-month website. Now, stick along with me, because when you sign up for this service, you're going to walk through your process, your name, your username. But when you get to the end, you're going to have to verify, all right, your name, obviously with a SMS. That's very easy to accomplish, but you will also need a CC number. Like I mentioned, I will tell you how to get free tools and also how you could get numerous of these, so stick along with me. I'll talk about that in just a moment. So if we go over, I've brought up this page, how to host a website on S3 without getting lost in the sea. I did not write this article. However, this will walk you through the process on how you can walk through step by step without me making this tutorial exceptionally long. Now, this is a wonderful process step by step. It is on medium.com. All I typed in was how to create HTML site on S3. It is the very first recommendation from Google. So just go ahead, click on this. It'll give you a simple walkthrough. It is very, very easy. You will be able to accomplish this. But remember the power that you're able to pass through this site and the power that it will already contain. So keep that in mind. It is worth your time. So we have down how to get the S3. I showed you how you can go ahead and set it up. It's a step-by-step process. Now, how do I get free tools? And how do I get a CC number so I can get numerous of these accounts? So let's talk about that now. So I went ahead and I pulled up some details as far as trusted virtual cards. Virtual card is how you will be able to enable yourself to get numerous S3 accounts. Not only that, so how you can take your simple purchase for a VCC for your S3 account and make it work for you. You can then take your VCC and you can start getting tools like Moz for a full month, Ahrefs, you could get SEMrush, and the list goes on, because all you need is a CC number, and then you can get complimentary tools for X amount of time. Now, VCCs, let's just talk about that really quick here. So what is it? So I'm just going to go ahead. A VCC are online cards that are not physically issued by a credit card provider. It is usually a free service provided by the original card issuer to their customers who want to perform online. This is right here. So it's an actual card number that you can use online, but it's different from a card. Now, there are numerous providers throughout the internet that you can find. There's also trusted providers. And then another key term that you can look up is unlimited VCC. Now, once you have this VCC, you are then able to complete the S3 process. You can head over to Medium for the walkthrough that will take you through the entire process on how to set up your S3 account. But then you've already paid the $1.99 for your VCC card, so then you can head over to Moz, get a 30-day trial. When that's out, you can then get a 7-day trial for $5 or whatever the cost is on Ahrefs. Then you can proceed on over to SEMrush and also try out any of the other tools that you feel fit, that you would like to try, because I know that you want to gain more backlinks for your website. I've gone through this process entirely. I hope that I have made this short enough, straight to the point enough. If you liked this video, if there's any questions that you might have, please feel free to message me. I answer all questions, and I look forward to seeing you in the next SEO link building video. I hope you have a wonderful day.